Are your tacos missing that zing? Or maybe your salads just feel a little flat? Today, we're diving into the ridiculously easy, incredibly versatile world of Mexican pickled red onions. Forget those boring store-bought jars. We're making a vibrant, crunchy condiment that will instantly upgrade everything on your plate, and you won't believe how simple it is to achieve this flavor explosion right in your own kitchen. So many people think pickling is some complicated science experiment, but I'm here to tell you it's pure magic that takes minutes, not hours. The biggest challenge? Not eating them all straight from the jar. All you need are a few simple ingredients: thinly sliced red onions, white vinegar, water, a pinch of salt, a touch of dried oregano, and for a little kick, a few slices of jalapeno. The secret to transforming that sharp onion bite into something beautifully tangy and sweet lies in the brine. As our onions steep, the vinegar works its magic, tenderizing them just enough while infusing every single ring with a bright, zesty flavor. Watching those vivid red rings slowly turn a stunning fuchsia color is pure joy, a visual feast before they even hit your tongue. This quick pickling method means you don't need fancy canning equipment, just a clean jar and a little patience. Once you've tasted these on a sizzling plate of carne asada or a fresh avocado toast, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. They're not just a condiment, they're a flavor booster, a texture enhancer, and a pop of color all in one. So, ditch the bland and welcome the bold. These pickled onions are a game changer you'll keep coming back to. Want to discover another simple recipe that elevates your everyday cooking? Click here to watch next.